are all justified claims, but these two parties are so preoccupied with their national leaders that nobody seems to be shedding any tear for the poor performance of some of their top local leaders or examining why they had to suffer such a setback. Along with the worrying decline in the importance of state level leaders of national political parties, these assembly polls also point to the increasing irrelevance of local issues in such electoral battles. Rural distress or the disruption of the GST was issues that the Congress raised, but these were not strictly local issues. The slow rise in agricultural income is a problem that affects farmers across the country. The disruptions caused by the GST are being felt in all corners of the country. The BJP's campaign on development also had a larger appeal that virtually converted an electoral battle for a state assembly into a referendum on national issues. The election manifestos released by these two political parties do refer to local issues and concerns, but the dominant narrative of the campaigns fought by the BJP and the Congress had little trace of those issues. This was largely because the campaigns were fought by their national leaders, while their immediate goal was to win the assembly elections, but their more important long term goal was to secure their prospects at the next generation elections. The current battle ground was the state assembly, but the real fight was for the Lok Sabha in 2019. Such an approach does not augur well for either the BJP or the Congress. Apart from neglecting governance issues in states, the predominance of national leaders and national issues, even in assembly elections, can create a leadership void that could have serious consequences for political successions. Already, state leaders, including chief ministers, are reluctant to be part of the government at the center as they do not want to lose their power and independence. It would be even more unfortunate if national political parties expropriate whether space that still belongs to the state level leaders. Both the BJP and the Congress must develop and nurture a strong team of state level leaders and allow them to have their space and growth into their respective roles with responsibilities. Such a spirit of cooperative federalism is critical not just for the BJP but also for the Congress. India ranks 100 in a group of 119 countries in the Global Hunger Index in 2017 is abysmal enough regardless of how steeply it has deteriorated in recent years.
Stop.